Okay, this is going to probably be a pretty quick video, but I just wanted to go over a few things with you guys because my car is going to be changing. My Tesla that you guys have known and hopefully loved is going under some transformations, if you will. I actually recently was able to find a body kit, and this is coming from EVS Motors down in Texas. If you're interested in any of their products, I'll go and link them down below. But I'm going with the Prior Design body kit. So there's a new front bumper, new rear bumper, side skirts. It does have a spoiler. I haven't decided what spoiler I'll end up using yet. But in going with this, I've actually decided to re-wrap the car. I have a few little scuffs and everything just from like little rocks being flung up, so I figured it's a good time to re-wrap the car. So that brings me on to my next thing, is I don't think I'm going to re-wrap it the same color. I love the color, but I think it's time for a change, and since I have to redo a lot of it, I might as well just redo it all. But this time I'm actually going to be installing the body kit myself. I'm actually going to be wrapping it myself. That's the plan, at least. I guess we'll see how it turns out once I start doing it. And I definitely plan to document the whole process, and let me know if there's anything in particular you guys wanted to see. That way I can make sure I capture that. Otherwise it'll probably just document what I'm doing, so it'll kind of be like its own little series too, along with the solar series. There's just a lot going on. I'm actually doing a video right now, that's why this one's kind of so short, and it's taking probably about 120 plus hours in this video. There's just a lot going on here. Just want to give you guys a quick update because I actually did finalize the body kit last week. It is on its way here. It should be great. It offers some really great designs that I really enjoy. It should look awesome, especially with what I'm thinking about wrapping my car. Definitely put it down below what you think I'm gonna wrap my car if I don't re-wrap it the same color, because I have some really good choices, and I really think that my #1 choice is gonna be awesome, and I think you guys will really like it. But yeah, I'll go ahead and document the whole thing. It should be starting here in the next couple weeks, considering the kit is already on its way to me. Yeah, I guess it'll be a fun project. I have a lift coming. It's like a car lift, so I'll be able to lift it, get under it, do anything I need. I have a lot coming, so definitely tune in, subscribe if you haven't. And let me know what you think about the new body kit. There's a couple other body kits out there that I'm not a huge fan of, so that's why I went with this one. It just looks a little bit more aggressive, but doesn't kill the Tesla body lines. I know I've seen one, I'll put it up, that I'm just not a huge fan of. It kind of looks like they tried taking some bits off the Huracan, and it doesn't really work for me. But this one I'm really happy with. So the outcome should be great. Worst case, if it's not, I can just put on my old OEM bumper and side skirts and everything, because this one actually is just a replacement, so it just fits right on where the current one is. So it's not like there'll be any damage to the car or anything. It'll be a relatively easy switch if I decide I don't like it, but I really want to give this one a shot because I think I'll like it. But yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to make a quick update video, and that way I can get back to my other project. It's it's taking a lot longer than I expected. But if you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you are looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging on any new or inventory Model S or X. Unfortunately, it does not work with the Model 3s. But as always, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and are excited to see the body kit and the new wrap. Definitely comment section down below what you guys think about the body kit and what you think I'm going to do for a new wrap. I think you guys will really enjoy it. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.